Hello everybody, this is Jono Solo and this is a quick update on my eToro Forex trading account. I opened this account exactly 3 months ago on the 6th of October 2014. The initial deposit was $500 and as you can see on the right hand side, the current balance is $904. So I'm very close to doubling my initial deposit, all done within 90 days. As you can see, 98% of my trades are currency trades, but with eToro you may also trade stocks, indices, commodities. You may even use eToro Copy Trader to copy other traders. But I'd rather stick to what I know best, so I use my own methodology to place my personal Forex trades. Now let's have a look at my open trades. I've got 8 open trades. All of them are in the green. Some are showing gain over 90%. I've got even one showing gain over 100%, which is very good. But what is even better is out of those 8 trades, 5 of them have their stop loss at break-even or above break-even. If you look at the US dollar Swiss franc trade, I went long at 0.967 and my stop loss is at 0.979, which basically means I cannot lose money on trade like this one. And this is what you want. You want to protect your capital. So if you want to learn more about my trading style, all you have to do is go to www.jonosolo.com and subscribe to the free newsletter. There is absolutely nothing to pay, just quality information. Please do not copy the trades that you see on the screen. Most of them have been open for a few days, even weeks. If you want to know about my next trades, all you have to do is sign up to the free newsletter. I wish you all the best. Talk to you very soon.